What's up, everybody? You asked for it, and today I'm gonna give you an update of my garden. So as you can see, there's still a lot to be done. We are under construction here. The house is finished, but the garden, there's still a lot of work. And I'm gonna give you an update of all my trees. So let's walk you through it. Let's see what's going on. So not much happened. It's winter here in the Netherlands, very cold. Have here the birch that I collected, already having some buds that are coming out. And here I have this tree that I did an air layer, and I'm gonna, if it worked out this summer, I'm gonna take this out and see how it turned out. And I also made a video how I did it together with another air layer. Here I have my bench. So this garden, the most sun is on the back side. So I have there a few trees, the Sylvesters. As you can see, here I have my elm. This one is also from the collected, it's doing well. Didn't have much time to work on the trees, but they are all here. The Sabine that I worked on lately is doing well. The cedar over here, I had my small apple tree, have some flowers on it. The pot broke when I moved to here, so I had to place it like in a place it here so that it recovers, because I'm gonna repot this tree this year. I have here another nice small Sylvesters that I won and did a second styling on it. The top died off. I didn't make a video of it, I'll just Instagram post, I think. Through it. Here I have the juniper that I did big cascade styling, first styling. I'm gonna repot this tree this year. I'm gonna see it. Here I have the cemetery. The trees that were not doing great, they died because of were a bit neglected. So this Sabina didn't survive, and also this, I don't know, maybe it will still come back. Let's see how it turns out. And I have another Sabina that died. And here I have my wisteria. This one is doing great. Place it a bit in the shadow here, so the buds are ready to come out. And I don't have a video of this tree, but I might style it in the beginning of spring, but I don't know yet because it's very brittle. I might just leave it like it is for now. And here on the bench I have all the other trees that are still doing great. I have my big ginkgo over here, also had a lot of growth. The top died off, but this can still continue the flame shape. I'm gonna put a lot of fertilizer on this tree that it grows. This is another elm. that is doing great, that I did the air layer on it. And I think the air layer is going to come out very nice. My Piracanta is also doing well over here. I have this Sabina, this doing very good, growing a lot. Here the small part of the top died off, but the rest is growing well. I have the Acer, is Japanese S-Dorn. Did some winter pruning this tree. The right tree is not doing very well, but the left one is growing. Small juniper that was on the Dutch show is doing well. I have here the Monster Texas. I did the big styling of it. I did prune this tree back last year, took all the wire off, and actually this tree is ready for the second styling, but I might repot first this year. But let's see what happens. I have this tree that I did the repot, is already starting to come out with white flowers. This golden juniper is also doing well. Okay, I have this Korean hornbeam I did with one student of mine. We did the pruning of this tree, and I actually gave her this tree. She left it here because she lives in half of the time in Norway, so starting to do some workshop with me. Here I have this nice Shimpaku from the European, new talent a few years ago. The Eba, if you haven't seen this video, go check it out. And this tree is ready for a second styling. As you can see, it's starting to grow a lot, so very healthy. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it on the comments below. And there are still a lot more to come. The trophy will be next week. I will be also documenting that. And when everything settled down, I will be posting a lot of more videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.